Hello everyone, we are back with one more tutorial which is Power BI and we are going to learn Power BI in detail. In today's video, we are going to cover what is Power BI and how can we use it. So Power BI is a business intelligence tool that helps users analyze, visualize and share data to make informed decisions. It is designed to be used by people with varying level of data knowledge. Before we deep dive into this topic, let's understand how can we download the software first. To download the Power BI software, we can simply go to Google and then we can search free download Power BI desktop. We need to click on the first link, download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official website. Here you can see the default language is already English. I'll show you. And I just need to click on download here. I'm going to tick mark these check boxes and I'll be clicking on download. The files are downloading. It would take few minutes. This is the setup file. I'm going to open it. I'll be clicking on run now. Here I'll be clicking on next. Here I'll be clicking again on next. Here I'll be clicking on this checkbox. I accept the terms in the license agreement and then next. This is the path and install. Now I'm going to click on finish. So this is the Power BI desktop app and you can see home, open, and there are options to make it from like blank report, one lake data hub, Excel workbook, SQL server, learn with sample data, get data from other sources. That means it has a wide spectrum. You can select from multiple data sources and can make your uh, data more productive and more visualized. So this is the desktop again. Here you can see some ribbon, some menus like file, home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help, and there are different options you can choose on. This is the get data option, which is very useful because we can get the data from here. This is the visualization area where you can have different types of chart you can visualize from there. So this is how these entire desktop is looking like. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll be learning how to make a basic visualize presentation by using some inbuilt features of Power BI. So till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.